Okay, I'm here again once more. I'm Amos Omagege. This is MAC-EDU Consult Online. Basically, this is more of mathematics again. We'll be looking at simultaneous equation. And it's very obvious for us to know this is an algebraic equation having two unknown variables with two equations. Meaning when you say two equations, most of the time the equations are numbered 1 and 2, or it could also be numbered A and B. This is a typical example solved using elimination method. That means there are other methods, but we are concentrating more on elimination method. We have 3x plus y equal to 9, 5x minus y equal to 7. That means we're expected to prefer solutions to the values of x and y. So if I'm going to do this straight away, I come here and say solution. That means I must name this expression as equation 1 and name this one as equation 2, Roman figure 2. So I have two expressions to resolve. Now if I'm using elimination method, that means I need to eliminate either the x or the y variable. But if I look at this clearly, my x variable is 3. My coefficient of my x variable on the second equation is 5, so I cannot eliminate easily. But if I look at the y variable, the coefficient of this y is 1, while the coefficient of this y is minus 1. So it becomes easy to do elimination here. All I need to do, I just come back here, I represent this plus y equal 9, and then I represent this minus y equals 7. Already this is my equation 1. This is my equation 2. So I now come here and say, okay, equation 1 is larger than 2 on this other side. So I can decide to say equation 1 minus equation 2. Meaning I need to remove equation 2 from 1. I rule a line now because I'm using elimination method. Now look at this. This 3x is in equation 1. This 5x is in equation 2. So it means roughly 3x minus 5x. I can go to my rough sheet. Oh, that means I come here and say, oh, 3x minus 5x. There are 3x here and 5x here. This is greater, so my answer will be what? A negative. Minus 2. That's how this comes. If I subtract, now this is my subtraction sign here. Definitely this gives me minus 2x. And then if I'm going to subtract this, automatically this is y plus minus y. It means y minus y, which is going to be what? 0. And that means here I can come here and put what? 0 here. I can add it plus 0. Y if I subtract it, this is what? 2. So that means 0 added to any value doesn't change it. So I have minus 2x equal to 2. I divide both sides by minus 2 and my minus x becomes what? 1. Therefore, my x will be what? Minus 1. That means I multiply both sides by what? Minus 1. If my x is minus 1, definitely I will need to prefer solution to y. So I can come and say using equation, any equation I choose to. So let me say using equation 1, all I need to do is substitute for x equal minus 1. So in equation 1, I substitute x minus 1. So I write back my equation 1, which is 3x plus y equal to 9. Anywhere I see x, I put minus 1. And this is plus y equal to 9. So this becomes minus 3 plus y equals to 9. And automatically this becomes y equal 9 plus 3. My y will be equals to what? 12. So standard-wise, we must write this expression out the way it's supposed to be written. And if I need to do that, definitely I can come to this end because of my spacing. That means my x is equal to minus 1 and my y is equals to 12. This implies that I write it in quadratic form, minus 1, 12. This is the expression value for x minus 1, y 12. I can actually do a mental check. If I substitute 1 here minus 1 here, this should be what? Minus 3 plus y. If minus 3 cross sign of equality to become there, become what? Plus 3. So 9 plus 3 will give me 12, which is y. And if I decide to put this y as 12, and I want to get my x, 12 cross sign of equality become minus, so it's going to be minus 3. 3x is equal to minus 3. My x is going to be what? Minus 1. So this expression is correct. Thank you, and bye for now.